In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on TurboTax. Keeping your email up to date is important because it's how you receive security codes, notices about your return, and account recovery information. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change with confidence. Start by signing in to TurboTax as you normally would. At the top right of the screen, look for your profile menu. This may show your initials or a small profile icon. Click it, then choose the option labeled Intuit Account. This opens your account settings in a new tab where you manage all the detail connected to your Intuit profile. Once you're in the account manager, go to the section called Sign In and Security. This area controls how you access your account and includes your contact details. It's the right place to update information that affects login and notifications. Next, select email address. Here, you'll see the primary email associated with your Intuit account. This is the address used for signing in and for receiving important messages from TurboTax and other Intuit products. If you typically sign in with a Google or Apple ID, you can still update your primary email here so your communications go to the right inbox. In the email field, type your new email address carefully. Choose an address you'll keep long-term and that you can access from multiple devices. Take an extra second to double-check for typos, especially dots and underscores, since a small mistake can prevent you from receiving verification codes. If the email you enter is already in use with another Intuit account, you may see a prompt letting you know. In that case, pick a different address or update that other account. After you've entered the new email, click Save. Depending on your security settings, TurboTax may ask you to confirm the change. This could be a code sent to your current email, your phone, or a verification link sent to the new address. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification. The change isn't fully applied until you verify, so be sure to check your inbox and spam folder. Once confirmed, your updated email will be used across Intuit services connected to your account. That's it. You opened your Intuit account settings, went to Sign In and Security, selected email address, entered the new email, and saved your changes. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Keeping this information current helps protect your account and ensures you never miss an important message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.